Waterproofing a bathroom starts with a clear plan that treats every interface where water meets another material as a potential leak and seals it accordingly. Start by preparing the substrate. Remove old flooring and backer board until you reach structurally sound material and ensure the subfloor and studs are dry and flat. Apply a bonded liquid waterproofing membrane to the entire shower or wet area floor and at least 6 inches up adjoining walls, following manufacturer cure times exactly to avoid failures from trapped moisture. Where the floor meets the wall, embed a flexible waterproofing strip such as Kerdi band or a comparable membrane into the liquid membrane or thinset so you create a continuous, flexible junction that accommodates movement. For penetrations like shower valves, faucets, and supply lines, install purpose-made seals or gaskets and then follow with a bead of high-quality silicone rated for potable water contact and high temperature. Tool the bead smooth so water sheds rather than pools. Around the tub drain and shower drain, use the correct flange assembly and apply sealant to the underlayment and the flange threads per instructions. Then test with a temporary water fill before tiling to confirm no leaks. Finish wall-to-floor transitions with a tiled cove or a full-height membrane behind tile, and use a decorative escutcheon plate at visible supply or waste penetrations to protect sealants from abrasion while giving a clean appearance. 3 common mistakes are relying solely on surface grout as the waterproofing layer, cutting or puncturing sheet membranes at seams, and using the wrong sealant for the substrate or exposure. If you depend on grout alone, you will have water migration behind tile. The fix is to install a continuous membrane under tile and maintain proper slopes toward drains. When seams are pierced or overlapped incorrectly, membranes can leak under minor movement. Always follow overlap and fastening instructions and use compatible banding at joints. Using a non-compatible or low-quality sealant causes brittle failures or poor adhesion. Select a silicone or polymeric sealant specified for showers and ensure surfaces are clean and primed if required. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a forum where we discuss specific waterproofing techniques, product experiences, and real job photos so you can learn from others. We help contractors find project leads and participate in our discussion community to showcase methods and get feedback.